tell her.
Thank you for your information. What I believe is that the car did not hear the fire truck, or the car was just trying to move out the way. But the car did not make it, and the fire truck just banged. What I heard from all the way in 307 my building, that I heard a big loud bang, and then I looked outside the window. What I saw is this. This is what I saw. That car and that fire truck. And I saw some shattered glass on the floor. But I did not see this what really happened. What I saw was on the other side. Let's go there. Now, this is what I saw. Shattered glass on the floor. And the fire truck. That is all I saw. And then I saw the top of the car. Then I saw a man rolling down on the floor all over, saying, well, doing this. Now, let's get it from a higher view.